of preparation. I was told not properly slept for last 2 nights also. It's always happy for me to come to our Singapore generation but just brief. I didn't get opportunity to brief about the slab.
Kalong shisha kaba compare kaba isong kun bat kaba isong kya bah bat kanderu ka khana bane kan mau pateng pakit yaki pat ba jong karat maulam ha ka jing pli pat ba ya ka yeng ai jing hikai ka belajar ka teng shlam jing tip bat bala penyat da ka serwet ubarim Mariang Jingking Jiri Cooperative Federation Limited ya ka ni ka shlam jing tip ka balong kum ka yeng trap lashna da ki sit bat tap da uplang ha ka klau ka badan hasnong maulam harum pen ursla ya ka bala pli pat ba da Chief Executive Member ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council ubak penyat sing siem kumukong san. La sak hilang ru Piyush Dogra, Senior Environment Specialist jong ka World Bank, kong Yora Dakhar kabadai ka chairperson jong ka Sarwet Ubarim MJJCF, Sordar Karaj Maulam ubak Mani Maupat, Lingdo Karaj Maulam ubak Family Lingdo, Ugunan ka DB, IFS ADP, CLLMP, MBMA ki Rurang Ba, Long Kemi Long Kapa, ki Samla Haduk ki Hep ki Barit. Ha ki babun ki jingalang pli ya kinu ki maunong rim latap ya umau da ki jan bat ot ya uribon da ka kanshi. Henry ha ka jing pli pat ba ya ka shlam jing tepat kalong ka ba kamper. Ha ka bai umau nong rim latap da ki slading bat late ribon da ujermi ya ka bala ot da ka tari. Shu ya ki dak ha umau nong rim om shem la dro la net ho kat kum ka juk bamenta. Henry la shushnya da ka kti bat ya karong la khlek lang da ushan rai bat ka shun. UCM ka KHADC ula pli ya umau nong rim bat ot ya ujermi da ka dur khmat ba phu samrikhi bat da ka jing sngo kemen ya ka ni ka shlam jing tep balayarap da ka World Bank ringkat ka sarkar jela la shna khnang na ka bentaban ajing hikai ki pat ba ban pennek pensa ya ka culture pennek pensa ya ki klau ki betap ki ding ki sit ki mrat klau ki sim ki do kha do penat ki jat khnyang ba bun jat bat ki we ki kenja ba im uba penyat sing sim ha bakran ha ka jingalang shwaban pli ya umau nong rim ulaong bala sengi ka district council ha usnem shejar khnai spa san phoar bat ka kamram jong ki MDC kalong ban thaw ya ki an kumno ban yada bat ban penek pensa ya ka riti dustur ba ulong shua man shua ulabu bat hikai ula ai khubleru ya usodar jong ka maulam ubala lam khmat ya ka kam bat uda kermen baling ba da ka jinglam khmat jong ka maulam kan plipat ya ki khmat jong ki wepat kishnong bakin bot lam ya ka nuksa ban penek pensa ya ka mei mariang ule thu baki don hadu san phosau tali ki hima bat lah jar san spa tam kishnong hapo ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka KHADC bat ula kentui ki pat ba nong shong shnong bakin bat ya ka ka baki long shua man shua kila dep ban hikai la yo ru ka jingkran na ka kong Yora Dakhar na Piyush Dogra na lor ki we hadin bala dep ban pli ya umau nong rem kala don ka jing shat be skan shat mauja kenjo kapya hapo ka jing shlam jing tip
Yatapti lapan light ya kan ekspert bagas ni.
Pau jingkemen banyo bandan lang bat kini ki rangba dijungi naka sarkar jela Meghalaya naka World Bank ringkat ru bat i lingdo ka right muli hima khairem ringkat sodar maulam i bala dan lang bat ni nam ta kani bat hakani ka por so ban pau jingkemen banyo ban pli yau ni umau kum kadak sa jingken mau nakamenta ka jing pli kanika shlam jingtip kabolong ka kanika jakat rekam jong ka shlam jingtip hakanika jaka bat kat kumbala bani i PE bayau ni umau mdei badan daki jingkho jingdro hakajuk mentah lebaro kibala shushnya dakakti jong kini ki rashna okay so this is Ka District Council laseng ya ka haus nam khat khandai spa san phuar ada ka jing thumu ba ngi kum ki MDC ngin la ban thau an ngin thau yaki kendon ban la ban penne pensa ya keriti ke dustur bo longshwa manshwa ula hikai ngi tengah dang pentip iki ba kata keriti dustur ke bapher bha ke bengi don ke bengi shim menta pai ba hi hari khasi like not nakale niam ka ba ngi shim menta hakka shisin shisnam hakale niam shat nongkrem hakka pomblang siem lani hakka shat wiking Henry ka baman kasngi ngi kami shim menta hakka nika by day ba kasin shar ka khadar ngidon kasin shar khadar tanrai ka bengidon ngidon ki siem ngidon ki lingdo ngidon ki sardar ngidon ki wahadadar but ngidon ku masan pu sautuli ki hima hangi po rikhasi haka jingpet jongka district council ki HDC but hakini ki san pu sautuli ngidon ku balai hajar sanspa tam teli tam ne duna kishnong ki bahap hakini ki san sautuli ki hima but kiba bunru kiba ngila ai sanat nakalyang jungi ke jing itu ye ki siem but na ki siem ki ai sanat pateng shi ki sodar shi ki rang ba shnong ki we dekani di kasin shal khadar tunrai bolong shwa mun shwa la hikai ngi nadu kapor kulong kuma but hadu mentangi dang yo ekani te namar takadaw la ai borling ba kanika article arspa sau pusau but shispa new pusan way haka constitution jomari India bangi ki MDC ngila bantau an halor keriti dustur te wat namya syailam bakla ku kipai ba wi ni kashnong ba ringkat kajing trailang jong sarkar jela naka World Bank but nakalyang jungi dis council ngila ben wanra let's say ka thong ka ba job hakani kajing at lanti jungi kublai shibun sodar ubala lam khmat yakani ka kam but kani kajing lam khmat ka jong phi kum sodar molam kanla ban play yaki khmat jong ki weipat hapo rikhasi kila ban play ka skor jong ki parakhasi jungi haki weipat kishnong bakum kani ka sinjam ko bengi shim hang ni po shnong molam kanla ban ya ban su thit haki weipat ki jaka te khublei shibon ya ka shnong molam bapla long ka nuksa ka babha moko yaki weipat kishnong te ngang so ban ong bakani ka kamdei ka ban kut no tang menta henry nang ni nginang yo ban pen klan shu ka jing trai kam jong ka federation ka cooperative society bat kiwe ru bangin yo ban aji hikai nga so kemen menta kasngi yo ban wan ban play kum CM yakani ka shlam jing tip but kanong rim jong ani ka shlam jing tip kadai ka ba so tanat hadin balai so na ka jing tha jing kong ke ka objective ke ta ka jing thmu kalong ban hikai ya ka pateng ka jungi ha bai dei ba kumno ban pene pensa ka mariang kumno ban pene pensa ka jing donjing em ka spa mariang but kani kalong ka spa ba nam ta jungi kum ki khun ban riu ki ba em ha kani pateng menta but nga suban ong bakini ki totally ki dingri jingking dingri bangiya kijat kita ki living root bridges ki badan hakani ka dong kathan ling ba kani ka shlam jingtip nyo ban hikai ki brio bade ban penne pensa namu longshwa manshwa u da ulada kren ulada khana ulada duai lada pirat bakani ka kan don but nga sukumen ba hapo rikhasi ngidon ye kilau adong kilau kentang kumla penpau dei lingdo mene ngidon ni kilau adong lau kentang but yakini kilau adong lau kentang ka jingthmu longshwa men barim galong ba lingba kini ai ka jing mentoy ka spa ba yengi ki kun benriu hakani ka pateng te ai ba kini kilau kentang ki bangidon mentaru ki bo longshwa ulah hikai yengi tang da ka ketien om da ka an shispa aspa snam menshwa ulong shua ulah hikai tang dak tien dan ai dainam dai na pai ba dainam henry menta pat nak jing bon pat bat ki jing hab bandan sabat ka ai ke batho ngi ya ka jing snang jing kraw ru temen ulong shua man shua namar takadaw nga so banong ke balakren ulong shua man shua mangi kini kilong din mangi kani ka pateng ka bamenta ka juk ka bamenta subha wat yelet lendat dainam dai lundo wat nam yelet lendat te ai ba kani ka jing hikai jong ulong shua man shua kanne kan sa hangi te namar takadaw kini ki jingkin jiri kini ki jing internet jong ka cloud batap ka ba ai ka spa ba nam ta jingdan kam jungi ku pateng menta jungi khun benriu ai pa kani ai long kumni te bat kumju ru na kaleng discouncil nginang pen klan shushu jing tre kam jungi da ka jing yate da ka jing tre lang bat ka sarkar jela bat ka world bank bandang kam pendus pa shu omtang ban penek pensa henry da ka ni ka rukom bangile hakini ka bentah ni po maulam kan kring ru wat ikinong wan jungok kai perthai kibabun kibakwa bantip khambahas phangkariti dustur khasi unwan nari sapngi unwan nari mingi bat unwan na shabar jong kajela mekhlea banwan banjungo telada mangi ngempene pensa kamdan jingmut te habawan omtang ban pene pensa yaka memoriang ka bangi hikai menta nriwat yaka yo kakot kan kentiu lingba kani ka memoriang habawan kinong jungok kai perthai ka yo kakot kan kiu hang ni ka shnong unong rung nong mi apo shnong unbun nong shong shnong hab ben seng ki dukan sha hab ben seng ki dukan ja bat hab ben seng ki babun ki kam khayi ki babun hang ni khnang ba kayo ka kot kan kentiu ya ka shnong bat ka dong hi bro ko we te sahi sien ngai khublei kerpang ye phi baro blai don lang hane ta ai ba kani ka jing wan ka jungi bat ringkat banaga sarkar jela bat ka world bank kan yarap nang ni shkhmat banang kam pinbit pinbiang shu iki babun ki kam
kaburam ro kalong banya sap ya phi ki brieu ki jakishnong ba pher ki badangla banyada ya ki dangla ban sumar ki dangla ban penne pensa hadukat menta om dai tangkata kenthop ro ya ki wei pat ki malongkum ki mau banna ki mau song thai ki jaka ki lenti ya ki bal ki ong ki bangi ong kita ki attributes bat ya kita ro la kenthop lang hapo kata UNESCO World Heritage Site bat tikan kani kalong ka ka lenti ka bacengai kata ngilaya lek ban ya penlong perlong ru bat kita kinong Indonesia bat kata ka sinong ka balayo ya ka World Heritage Site bat ngilaya sign ru ka we ka MOU bat ki nang ta ka badon hang ta hapo ka sinong ki ong ka Bali hapo Indonesia ngilaya sign ru ya ka jingyat ka sekolah lan ka jingyat te paralog bat ki ngila don ru ka jingyat dai ka bayajan bat kan ka Butch Beam ka badon hapo Australia kabal karu kalayo ya ka UNESCO World Heritage Site hakabangila khots ngobha ya Mr. Steve Brown badai uway na specialist jong kiniki jong ka UNESCO bat yu Dennis ubalawan hadu hang ne hari ha silong ban ya ban ai ki jingmut ban ai ki jing yarap yangi kumno bangin la ban ya kata kalenti kabangin lait sa kata ka UNESCO depentang idang don hakajing ya nanti ke badang sedang nila da kajing ya le sitom jong ba sanji kajing ya le sitom jong kitim jongi bada kajing ya rap jong ka World Bank ka bala ai yangi kajing tersan kadiang kamon hakaliang jong kapisa kelarung hakatan teteplis jong ka UNESCO bad mentang kalong kajing penkre ya kata ka dossier kabangin ay yakin niki nominations lani yaki properties yakin niki spa jongi ki bakilong shwa ki labu baro ki jat ki badon naduk kana pateng ki jingya tu kana ki bayadon nakabentak hang kane ka klau kadon benta ayu ki ki jingya tu kana sapang kane kumno la penlong ya kane kalau adong kumno la penlong ya ki lau kentang kumno la penlong ya ki ki wa ki baper bat ya ki jingking jeri bat ya ki jingdon kum ki mau bena
Since we were working with the state, as I told you, sir, for the last 5 years with the project, but before that 2 years, we spent time to understand the laws, the NOCMAs, how they function. And then we knew that why we want to title this project as Community-Led Landscape Management Project. In fact, at that time, I still remember, and I always quote whenever I speak on this community-led initiative in Meghalaya, in the various forums. Mr. Ram Mohan Mishra was one person who was leading at that time from the Meghalaya side, and it was very clear that until and unless you give empowerment to women and the community here in Meghalaya, you will not be able to achieve what you want to achieve. It cannot be top down. It will always be bottom up, and you can see the result. I mean, the community has changed the scenario. The conservation they have shown by leading, they have gone to Australia, they have gone to Indonesia, and see the efforts of state government as well. I must commend that, Mr. Sampath and Mr. Gunanka has taken it forward very positively. Not the officers who have gone for training, but the community who has gone for training and presenting. This is unique. So not only the project is unique, but the efforts which this government has taken to take it forward with the help of communities is also great. So I must thank communities for this. If they would not have come forward, this project has not reached to this stage. Thank you so much for all of you, in fact, to contribute this. In fact, sir, now the current discussion is, we always talk about conservation and biodiversity management. The current effort, earlier it used to be that, these are additionalities and you have to think through on various finances for this. Now the development sector is changing, and now it's very clear that for biodiversity and conservation, you need finance and you have to move along with the development. So it's basically, we are now understanding that culture is important. We are now understanding that social inclusion is important, and we are now understanding that this is how the projects gets conceptualized. And I think Meghalaya is leading by example. Meghalaya has shown that the effort can bear fruits, especially when Ms. Gunanka also mentioned about that this project was it has gone beyond the limits of scope. Definitely.